gonna blow one more time.
No.
Quit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Blow them out.
Oh, now.
Wait.
This is why I had 3 sons.
I don't know. Okay, wait.
Get up there.
Wait, get up there.
Everybody smile nice. Smile pretty.
Lights right by over your head.
Shelby.
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 Gatlin, touch for a minute. There you go.
Yeah,
Good. Good. I want that picture for my office. I want that picture for my office.
Yes, I do. How come you're not quiet? How come you're not quiet? Oh!
I'm not supposed to talk to them.
Not telling you. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, look. For a special moment with our love.
That's the box she put my birthday person in.
She wants it back, I can tell you right now.
Grandma, let Grandma do this,
Oh, how
honey.
pretty.
Grandma alone.
How pretty.
Good black shirt for Christmas.
I love you too. Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Told you would like it.
Shannon helped me pick it out.
Huh?
Shannon helped me pick it out.
Did she?
We went through
Ooh, wee.
everything.
Ooh, wee.
Very pretty.
Smile.
I'm gonna wear this tomorrow and make those girls wonder where I got something new. This is from Quinn.
She won't
Help me here.
You need to say this again. Where's the card in there somewhere?
Oh,
No, let Grandma do that. Open it.
Where's the card at, guys?
there's no card.
Hey.
Send us a card in there.
There was.
Probably
It says happy
It's laying
birthday
right on the top of the bag.
from Shannon. Here it is.
Ah.
Oh, there, that's
Hang on, Grandma.
There's another one in there.
Grandma just shoved it in there and got right to the
She
gift.
just wanted to break it. Look on the bag. Look on the bag.
Where's your
Look on the bag.
Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The little one.
What's in? I wonder what's in here.
Another one. The black one. And there's the left one.
No.
That's in there.
Aren't those pretty?
It's like there was a
Very much.
one in there. Yeah.
How nice. Thank
Thank
you, thank you. Now,
Give her a cat for a friend.
party for our grandma. That is
And
cute.
there's one right here too. Look, Grandma.
Good job.
Grandma.
You're so serious.
Here, hold it back down.
Grandma.
I read that, honey. Isn't that beautiful?
her ears hurting.
Let's
Open
see.
the little box first.
Open the little one first.
The little one first. Let me have what? Didn't you see the little one first? The wonder what? The wonder what?
That's cool paper. Oh.
Camera.
I wonder what this is for.
It's a camera.
Oh, you think so? You think so?
Or do you know?
Well,
Yeah, let's
it's
see.
obvious.
Let's
Oh,
see.
it's
Oh.
Just an empty box.
Time.
And I wonder,
Now it's open because Derek and Jeff already loaded it for you. They already put batteries in
All you
it.
need to do is put
Hold
it
on.
It's
Here,
ready
take
to
a picture
take.
of us.
Brandon, yours ain't working.
Yeah, that thing on the bottom.
That's why
If these are
You gotta wait till your batteries.
this,
Why don't you rewind?
that's the date.
It's out of
Okay.
there.
Print the date on it?
Yeah. It'll either print the date, the time,
this is
or
enough.
nothing.
Yeah.
You don't have to print anything.
Derek Daddy got the
Yeah, I like
directions down.
that.
Put the date on it.
I like that camera. She's staring. Oh, she goes.
And when you push it, it takes the picture. It's not one of those where you push and then when you let
By the
go,
time
it
all
takes
done,
it.
you're doing this.
Why can't on auto?
Oh, it's clean. It's good.
Okay, that chair.
Show her how the flash will always be on or
What am I
automatic.
gonna do?
Just hit the.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Grandma.
No, just leave it on automatic.
Okay.
Gatlin, be careful.
Looky, let's see what I got.
Channing, come here, honey.
Ooh, my man.
That's pretty.
Clark Gable. Stained glass.
Hey, look, right here.
A chain.
Channing.
Oh, that's a
Where do you
pretty.
go from here? That's fair.
Oh, that's. Look
I've
right
never seen
here.
one like that before.
Look in there.
Pretty.
Channing.
That goes.
Channing Jay's
Just
going.
a minute.
Papa gave me this, Gatlin.
Huh?
Papa gave me
Jenny.
this. Thank you, Papa.
Jenny.
You're telling me y'all taking the blame, you get the credit for it?
You want chocolate ice cream, Channing?
Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty.
isn't that nice?
Me and Brooke worked all day on that yesterday.
Oh, I love it.
Didn't we, Tammy?
Yeah, you sure did.
Tammy painted it, me and Brooke welded it.
Yep.
Hey, that one.
Norel, my cologne, I love Norel. Huh?
Channing, last year we said.
I love this. In fact, I'm gonna put some on.